In Santa's workshop, the little 4-year-old elves ran everywhere, painting, wrapping presents, and tying shiny bows. The excitement of Christmas filled the air. Among them was Tito, a mischievous elf who preferred to sit in a corner playing with tiny snowballs instead of working. The other elves said, "Tito, come help us." But he just smiled and hid behind a pile of boxes, saying he was too tired. The head elf, Mr. Spark, came over and explained, "Every gift we make brings joy to a child. If we don't help, some children might not get their presents." Tito thought for a moment and decided he could keep playing. But when he saw his friends running around and having fun while working together, he started to feel a little sad and bored being alone. A friend elf offered him a box of toys to wrap together. At first, Tito hesitated, but soon he realized that working while playing was much more fun than just watching. Tito began helping, wrapping gifts and decorating with paper and ribbons. His laughter joined the others, and the workshop seemed to shine even brighter. At the end of the day, all the presents were ready, and Santa entered smiling, "Excellent work, elves. Thanks to your effort, many children will have a happy Christmas." Tito felt proud of himself and understood that helping others not only makes children happy but also brings joy and new friendships. From that day on, Tito always helped in the workshop, remembering that working together and sharing happiness makes everything more fun and special.